How to download Aviator Predictor on iPhone and Android. So if you want to download Aviator Predictor on your iPhone or Android, then like if you are using Android, you will get it on your Play Store. And if you're using iOS, you will get it on your App Store. Download it, install it. So let's first check, open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Aviator Predictor. Once you've searched, you may find the application, but if you don't find it, you can also go with your Safari or your browser. And from your Safari or browser, you need to search for Aviator Predictor and you may find the application. You can go and install it and log into your account and use that. But if you don't have the option to install, then you can open up your browser or you can open up your Safari and then search for Aviator Predictor as I've done here already. Then you can go with the first link. And once you tap on that link, you will have this kind of interface. So tap on download and then wait for a few seconds till it detects the country. Now what you need to do is just tap on start. You will have a start button in the middle of your screen. You just need to simply tap on start. And you just need to simply go with a new tab or go with all tabs right here. And from the all tabs, you need to just find the tab where you have the Aviator Predictor install option. Now this is the tab. Once you find the tab, you need to just tap on it, tap on the download option. And it will tell you to open in Telegram. So you can just go and open it on your Telegram. Or it will have a download option. You just need somebody tap on download. After that, you can go with the bottom left, which has that downloads option. Tap on it and it will download it. Or so once the file has been downloaded, you need to tap on that file, go with share, which is on the bottom right, and save to files. Tap on save to files, tap on save. If you're using your iOS, you need to save it. But if you're using your Android, you can just install it from here because it's an APK file and it will be easy for you to install on your Android. Once you save it to the files, you can proceed with the following procedure on how you can install an APK file on your iOS device. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.